points A, B, C, and D are points on the circle, A, B, C, D, with diameter 9 centimeters and center O. So as O, this is the diameter, which is 9 centimeters. BC is 5 centimeters, CD is 4 centimeters. Calculate angle CAD, so that angle there, and find the length of AB. Okay, this requires you to know one circle theorem. AC is the diameter, then angle ADC, this angle here, will be 90 degrees. So we've got a right angle triangle with a missing side, which we need to find. Sorry, a missing angle, which we need to find. So, drawing out the triangle, okay, so we've got AD and C, DC, and AC. So AC, this length here, is the diameter of the circle. And then we know that this length here is 4 centimeters, and we want to find this angle here. So this angle here and this angle here are the same. So, using a little bit of trigonometry, so this will be the opposite side, and this will be the hypotenuse, and then writing down SOHCAHTOA, we've got opposite hypotenuse, and we want to find an angle, so it's going to be this one here. And therefore, writing down the ratio, sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. If you write down ratios, you'll make that connection, and you will sort of learn the formula. So sine theta is equal to 4 over 9. We want to find the angle, which is theta. So we have to do the inverse, or sine to the minus 1 of 4 over 9. Make sure your calculator has a little d in it. That's all you need for IGCSE. And therefore sine to the minus 1 of 4 over 9 will give you 26.38 degrees, which rounded off will get to 3 cylindrical figures is 26.4 degrees. Right, next we have to find this length here, AB. So again, drawing that triangle out, and again, this angle here will be 90 degrees because AC is the diameter of the circle. It comes from the angle at the centre being half the angle at the circumference. Okay, also cyclic quadrilateral, these two angles here will have to add up to 180. So writing on the information, we've got 9 centimeters, 5 centimeters. We've got a missing side on the smaller side, so we have to use Pythagoras' theorem. It's a smaller side, so therefore AB squared will be the longest side, which is 9 squared minus 5 squared. So AB will be the square root of 9 squared minus 5 squared. Now you could do that all one go on your calculator. Just put it in as it's written there. And you'll get 7.483. Your calculator will give the answer in third form first. Just convert it into decimal. And then to 3 cylindrical figures, that gives me 7.48 centimeters. Okay, so this has been a video to show you a little bit about circle theorems and then finding missing angles and lengths using some trigonometry and Pythagoras. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.